Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Geography with Shyamal. Today we are going to discuss about concept of cultural ecology. This is an important topic regarding our UGC NET examination perspective in geography. Okay, let's start the class. First of all, what is cultural ecology? Cultural ecology is the study of how human cultures adapt to and transform their natural environment. Okay, how human cultures adapt to and transform their natural environment. Okay, it bridges geography, anthropology and ecology. Okay, culture, beliefs, customs and social practices, ecology, natural environment and ecosystems, and adaptation, how cultures change due to environment. Okay, origin and historical background. 1930s, Carl Schweer coined cultural landscape, humans shape environment through culture. 1955, Julian Stewart formally coined cultural ecology, studied technology and environment links. Okay, technology and relationship between technology and environments. During 1960s, expansion adopted by geographers linked to human ecology and possibilism. 1970s, neo-ecology merged with political ecology and systems thinking approaches. Julian Stewart's framework, most important for net examination perspective. Julian Stewart, 1902 to 1972, American anthropologist and geographer. Key book, Theory of Culture and Theory of Culture Change in 1955. Environment, the physical features of the habitat, soil, climate, vegetation and water. Technology, tools and techniques a culture uses to exploit environment. Work patterns, behavior patterns involved in applying technology forms the culture core. Culture core means most vital features shaped by environment and technology. Now there are some key concepts in cultural ecology. For example, cultural adaptation. It means how cultures modify behavior and technology to survive in their environment. Cultural landscape, physical environment modified by human activity according to Carl Schweer's concept. Cultural core, central features of a culture most closely tied to subsistence activities. Multilinear evolution, different cultures can evolve differently based on their specific environments. Carrying capacity, maximum population on an environment can support with available resources. Human-environment interaction, the two-way relationship, culture shapes environment and environment shapes culture. Okay, cultural ecology versus related concept. Concept, focus, key scholar, difference from cultural ecology. Cultural ecology, focus, culture and environment interaction. Key scholar, Julian Stewart. This is our main concept. Political ecology, power and environment is focus. And key scholar, P. Blakey. Different from cultural ecology, additions, politics and economics to cultural ecology. Human ecology, human environment systems, key scholar, Park. Difference from cultural ecology, broader and less focus on culture. Possibilism, environment offers possibilities according to Blasi, key scholar. Environment sets limits and cultural choices. Environmental determinism, environmental controls the culture. Key scholar Frederick Ragel. And difference from cultural ecology rejects determinism, allows agency. Okay, political ecology and cultural ecology are frequently compared in UGC NET. There are some real-world examples of cultural ecology. Himalayas in India, transhuman practice, mountain communities move livestock generally to use different pastures, cultural practice directly shaped by terrain and climate. Amazon basin, slash and burn agriculture, indigenous groups use shifting cultivation adapted to tropical rainforest ecology, complex knowledge of soil fertility cycles. Rajasthan, India, desert water harvesting, Jodhpur's Bauli, step wells and Kund cisterns show how Rajput culture adapted to arid environment through ingenious engineering. Arctic, Inuit, igloo and kayak technology. Inuit culture developed highly specialized tools, igloo, kayak and harpoon as a direct cultural responses to extreme Arctic ecology. Important scholars, Julian Stewart coined cultural ecology, culture core theory and multilinear evolution. Carl Schweer, cultural landscape, human agency in shaping environment, Beckerley School. Marvin Harris, cultural materialism, material conditions, ecology shape culture. Roy Rappaport, Peaks for the Ancestors, 1968, ecosystems and rituals in Sengbaga Marine tribe. Blasi, possibilism, environment provides options, culture makes choices. Frederick Ragel, environmental determinism, contrasting baseline for cultural ecology. Okay, there are some criticisms and limitations of cultural ecology also. Criticisms are it tends towards environmental determinism despite claiming otherwise. It ignores political and economic process addresses by political ecology. Difficult to apply in complex modern globalized societies. Overemphasis on subsistence economies, less useful for urban cultures. And their significance and legacy of cultural ecology. Pioneering human environment geography is still very relevant. Foundation for political ecology, ethno-ecology and related fields. Helps explain indigenous knowledge systems and sustainable practices. And this is a widely cited concept in UGC NET and UPSC geography syllabus. Okay. Julian Stewart coined cultural ecology in 1955, always associated these two. Key block, theory of cultural change, 1955 by Stewart. Cultural core means subsistence activities plus technology plus work patterns. Distinguish possibilism by Del Blasey. Environmental gives options. Determinism, Rajel, environmental controls. Cultural ecology not the same as political ecology. The latter adds power in politics. Political ecology adds power in politics to cultural phenomena. Multilinear evolution, different cultures can evolve along different paths according to Stewart. Okay. Cultural ecology, founder Julian Stewart, book Theory of Cultural Change in 1955. Link to possibilism and political ecology. Cultural core, that means subsistence plus technology plus work patterns. That means all these three components comprises the cultural core or cultural ecology. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt and query, just let me know in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.